very good. They were here one day and they did all the windows in one day. So that was pretty good, I thought. They replaced all the bucking around the windows and screwed all those off and then put all the windows in. So took my old ones away and they're gone. So now I have new ones. Good, good. They're very nice. The aluminum ones are great. I like them. Yeah, they came with about 6 guys and they were done in one day, so they were really quick. Very good, yeah. The secretary would call me and let me know when the windows were coming in, and they were here on the day I expected. I took the day off work and stayed home, and I was here for the whole thing. So, yeah, I can tell a difference in our AC already because our windows were from 1975, and I can notice a difference in our cooling costs already. It's gone down a little bit.